Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Spotify and making sure the app is up to date. That prevents version-specific behavior. You also need access to your device appearance controls. On Windows, go to Settings, Personalization Colors. On Mac OS, go to System Settings, Appearance. On iPhone or Android, open Display Settings. Once done, keep Spotify running so the app can immediately pick up the system theme change. You will switch the system from dark to light in the next step. Now change the device-wide appearance to light. On Mac, choose Appearance, Light. On Windows, pick Light under Colors. On iPhone or Android, choose Light or disable Dark Theme. After you switch, fully quit Spotify and relaunch it so the app reads the new system preference. This is the effective step because Spotify follows the system appearance. Changing this makes the interface switch away from dark. Make sure any system-level night or battery saver modes are off so they do not reapply. Finish by checking the Spotify UI, menus, library, and player should now be in light mode. If the theme didn't change, clear Spotify's cache and data, then relaunch. On desktop, you can also sign out and sign back in. If that still fails, reinstall Spotify to force a fresh configuration. One key troubleshooting tip: verify no third-party theme manager or accessibility setting. High contrast, dark mode override is forcing dark. Disabling that often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.